Good afternoon from beautiful Lighthouse Point, Florida. I'm Michael Ehrlich with MarineMax, and today we're going to take a look at this super clean, beautiful 2016 51 Sea Ray 510 Fly. Starting up front, you'll see the stainless steel polished anchor, the remote control spotlight, and windlass. Excellent job whoever made the covers for the windshields and the snap downs that coordinate with the cover for the bow pad. That is the Sunbrella bow pad with the Sea Ray logos that flips up to do the chaise so you can read without propping on your elbows. This boat is freshly waxed, kept super clean, only 205 hours and ready to go. One of the great features on this 510 is this hydraulic swim platform back here. The cradles are included with the boat. Carry jet ski or a tender, whatever you'd like. Good storage lockers back here on these 16s. Hot and cold shower for when you get done swimming. Let's step up into the cockpit. Gorgeous high gloss table. The covers are sitting on the ground. The table has covers. This back bench seat has covers. Please see all the still photos. You've got a backup camera, so whether you're operating from the bridge or the interior helm, you're all set. Gorgeous stainless steel doors that all pocket over to one side. Let the camera adjust. We'll step into the salon. Port side couch that pulls out. Starboard side, a beautiful settee. Table can be expanded or contracted. Main panels are behind there. Big TV. This boat, of course, has satellite TV system already on it with multiple receivers. Step up into the big galley. One of the great things on this 510 Fly is how much light and how big the windows are in here. The galley is up. 2 freezer drawers, 2 refrigerator drawers. Cuisinart convection microwave, 2-burner stovetop, beautiful countertops, trash chute, large stainless sink. Even cool things like a heated storage compartment here. You'll notice in front of the windows there's an area to bring light downstairs. That's called Sea Ray Sky Flow design. Interior helm, single stid helm chair. Twin Raymarine touchscreens as well as your SmartCraft, stereo remote, VHF, of course your digital controls, and this is a pod Zeus boat with skyhook, with joystick, with built-in autopilot. Great storage around back of the helm here for all your flatware and stemware. Let's walk you down to the cabins now. We'll start forward is a VIP. The carpets have been swapped into this boat to a nice natural, neutral Berber rather than that funky color that came in 16. Roman shade option. Deck hatch, side windows, drawer storage, his and hers closets, and private access to the guest head, vacuum flush toilet, of course stall shower with seating, and an opening port light, medicine chest, nice basin. You have a second door for this bathroom, and that's if you have guests in the third stateroom. These are bunks. They can be easily converted to one large bed. Your guests get a nice big window. And don't put the drinkers in here, but it is lockable. You've got a nice chill wine storage here in the third stateroom hanging locker. Here's what I mean by that sky flow design, bringing all this light downstairs. It's awesome. Now we're going to go back to a full beam mid-cabin master. Woohoo! Nice big bed that you can walk around all 3 sides of, no problem. Huge windows on both sides of this master. Big 6-drawer dresser, as well as a nice hanging locker. Everything's mirrored, full cedar. They also have the optional safe you'll see here. Separate stereo unit here in the master stateroom. Reading lights, plugs, both sides of the bed for your phones. Another DirecTV receiver in here. And a lovely settee to starboard. And more of those great big windows. Now we're going to pop you up to the flybridge. Oh, don't miss the master head. Again, the tile floors. The nice basin, the huge medicine chest. Hello. Roman shades, windows. Stall shower with the teak seat and an opening window in that one as well. Under the stairs here, I'm not going to pop it up, you do find a washer dryer splendid combo unit. And let's go check out my hangout spot up on the bridge. Got an ice maker here in the cockpit, some storage, easy to navigate stairs to take you to the bridge. Wow. Great helm location, good visibility. There's my joystick, the twin screens, the VHF, everything's duplicated. Another stereo head unit. Beautiful high gloss table with a seating area. That backrest will fold flat and disappear, so you have one huge Sunpad here in front of the driver. Nice Venturi windshield to keep the wind down at high speeds. Entertainment area here with a bar, refrigerator underneath, and a electric stove, grill. Of course, this boat has the large opening skylight. Bring it on closed here. Nice big dining table aft that you can sit around. One of the nice features is there's a block off door here on roller tracks that's strong enough to walk on, so if you have dogs or children, you don't have to worry about them tumbling down the stairs. And that concludes our tour of this gorgeous 2016 510 Sea Ray Flybridge. Thanks for watching.